I'm working on taking out the, I can say it, I'm getting frustrated. I'm working on taking out the dinette in here. Let me show you. So it's really straightforward, actually. But the problem is that yes, I have a drill, but I also am using that little tiny screwdriver because some of the screws just aren't coming out with that thing, so I'm getting a little frustrated, but that's okay. I'm going to pull this out and I'm going to put my computer here, my desk and my computer here, so I have a nice space to work. It's funny because these things are really just held on with absolutely nothing. It's, you know, RV manufacturing is pretty flimsy, but at least it's easy for me to get out, so that's one good thing.
Wind up on post at the post office.
Some people ask me how it's going as far as adjusting. I'm doing pretty good. I mean, I love my sisters and I love being here. It's kind of weird being between two places right now, but I'll get all organized. I'm looking forward to getting the trailer done so I can feel more at home, although I am sleeping a little bit better, so that's really helpful. I'm on my way back to my apartment so I can get more goodies to bring back. I finally got everything straightened out on the trailer as far as taking out the oh, my brain is not working, it's so early. Taking out the dinette, I got that out, and also got everything straightened to where I put the desk in there. So I'm going home and getting my computer system, which I use for all my videos, and also a few other things, some plants and stuff. I still have a lot to do, but I still have a few weeks to do it in. So anyway, let's hit the road. I'm so excited. I got the dinette out and my computer is in and operational, so I can work on my YouTube videos and other things. I still have more stuff to put in here. I have like a little filing cabinet and you know, shelves and all that, but I'm really excited.